Night vision.
Apple
iPod test through a car's glass. No, infrared. Infrared is off.
Brass. Dry.
This is cemetery.
Kansas.
I don't see anything.
Suffix.
I don't see anything out of place. If there was something, we'd see it right now. But then again, I am filming through the car's glass. It's just a test.
Lead. Compare.
Yeah. It's a small little ancient cemetery. Doesn't seem to be anyone here.